Hey everybody, how you doing? Peter Carvell here, and welcome to the final video in my mini video series where I show you some of the best beginner workouts. And in today's video, I'm going to show you a very basic bodyweight muscle building workout. The exercises you all know, but the workout structure might be new to you. And although it's a very easy version of this workout structure, when you're a beginner, make no mistake, this is pretty damn hard. I know because I used to do this workout when I got started over 10 years ago. So before we look at the workout structure and the exercises, don't forget to subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, don't forget to activate your notifications by clicking on the bell icon. And then finally, at the end of today's video, I'm going to show you a workout structure using the 3 workouts that I've shared with you in this mini video series so that you have a complete weekly schedule of how to get started with these 3 workouts. But let's get started with the workout structure. So guys, just 4 exercises. When you're just getting started, you want to focus on just your main muscle group. So we're going to do your chest, your back, your shoulders, and your lower body. And all you're going to do is you're going to take the first exercise and you're going to try and do as many reps as you can in 2 minutes. Make no mistake, this is pretty damn hard, especially when you're starting out. So you do as many reps as you can. When you need rest, you take rest, but you just continue whenever you can again for 2 minutes. Then you take a minute break. Then you move on to the second exercise. You do the same thing and you do that for all 4 exercises, and that's your workout all done. So let's quickly look at the 4 exercises. You'll know them all. We're going to start with normal push-ups. If that's too hard, you can also do knee push-ups. Then we're going to do your back with a pulling motion. I'm showing you an inverted row here. You can do this many different variations. And if you don't have that, you can even just do normal towel rows. That's fine as well. Then we're going to do the pike press. Okay, we all know that from yesterday's workout as well. And then we're going to finish off with normal, nice deep squats. If deep squats is too hard for you, you can just go halfway as well. So there you go, guys. A really simple but effective beginner muscle building workout. So what is the workout structure? It's pretty simple. On day 1, so let's say day 1 is Monday, and then day 7 is Sunday. On Mondays, you're going to do the fat burning workout, followed by the core and abs workout. Okay, that's it. On Tuesday, you do the muscle building workout. On Wednesday, you rest. You need to give your body some time to recover, especially if you're just starting out. Then on Thursday, you do the abs and the weight loss workout again. And then on Friday, you do the muscle building workout, and then you recover for 2 days, and then you start again next week. On the days that you are off, try and still be active. Try and still go and just go for a walk or do something for 30 minutes, because when you're just starting out, one of the most important things is also developing an exercise habit. And that comes by consistently every day just doing something, even if it's not a complete full workout. So there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed this mini video series. Now you've got no excuse not to get started. And remember, if you're looking for a complete system that you can start using, check out my free 7-day fat loss kickstart program at 6weeksixpack.com/kickstart. No credit cards, no BS. You can just sign up and follow that for 7 days. So as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, click on the like button. If you're not a subscriber yet, please subscribe. If you are a subscriber, click on that bell icon to activate your notifications. And then, as always, remember, have fun out there and keep it simple. Until the next one, bye-bye.